What's going on, guys? Check out this sick truck. It's a good buddy of mine. We did the wheel lights not too long ago, probably say about a week ago. And just today I did his door handles. These are the switchback ones. They light up white. I did them on both sides. Let's go ahead and check them out. Let me know what y'all guys think. That's the driver's side. Of course, did the passenger side as well. I did the cab lights too. Say probably about a good 3-4 months ago. Let's go ahead and turn on the hazards for y'all. It is with the hazards. Like I said, these are LED switchback. And these things came out nice, guys. Let me know what y'all guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and add another clip of whenever he was leaving with the wheel lights. Yeah, I can probably see him in there, right there. The wheel lights, I did all 4. And let me know what y'all guys think. Alrighty, guys, so this is another video. I'm going to attach to the same video of the door handles. He came back and he also got some emblems that are LED. These are the original stock ones that came with the truck. So I went ahead and took the grill off. And here are the LED ones, GMC. I did have to drill some holes so I can feed the wire through. You can see the wires right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put the truck back together, run the wiring, and let's see how this thing looks, guys. Alrighty, guys, finally got it all put back together. Check this thing out. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. Also give this video a like if y'all want to see more videos like this. And I'll post some more install videos of me doing LED lighting and all that stuff. I know how to do most of this stuff myself, so. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And that's it for this video. I know it was only like a 1 minute or 2 minute video, but I just want to keep you posted. Hope everybody's safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.